Chapter 3. More in PowerPoint 2019. Inside the chapter, Animation Effects, adding action buttons, transition effects, importing data from Word document, inserting video, working together, PowerPoint presentation, record audio. MS PowerPoint 2019 is the most advanced presentation tool with new features, which is used for creating powerful presentations. PowerPoint creators have the luxury of multiple slides, which can help creating presentations with creative constraints in short attention span. It consists of various creative tools which improve the appearance of presentations. Fact file. PowerPoint was created by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin, which was released for Apple Macintosh in 1987. Animation effects. Animation means to apply visual effects to the individual object or text or to the whole slide in a presentation application. These effects can be applied to the slides to engage the audience to the presentation. Presentation software comes with animation features packaged with it. This can be used to animate text, pictures, tables, smart art graphics, and other objects to make the presentation more dynamic. Steps to apply animation effects. To apply animation effect to the text or object, you need to follow the given steps. 1. Open your presentation and select the text or object. 2. Click on the Animations tab. 3. Click on Add Animations button. A drop-down list will open as shown in the figure. You will see a list of animation effects which are generally categorized into 4 parts. 4. Select any of the available effect and that will be applied on the selected object or text. 5. After applying the effect, you will visualize a number adjacent to the object or text. 6. You can apply more than one effects on the same object. Categories of animation effects. Animation effects are generally divided into 4 categories as explained below. It consists in trans of a list of effects which tell how the object will enter while presenting the topic using slideshow. It includes appear, fade, wheel, split, bounce, etc. 2. EMPHs. It consists of a list of effects which are used to emphasize the object in the slide during slideshow. It includes color pulse, spin, brush color, fill color, etc. 3. Exit. It consists of a list of effects which tells how the object will exit while presenting a slideshow. It includes fly out, spin, disappear, float out, etc. 4. Motion pass. It consists of a list of effects which are used to move the objects in a motion. It includes lines, arcs, turns, shapes, etc. Animation timing. While creating a presentation, you can specify the animation timings. It tells when the animation will start. In the timing group, click on the drop-down button of the Start box. Start box. It tells how the animation begins. On click, it will begin the animation with the click of mouse. With previous, it will begin the animation at the same time as the previous animation. After previous, it will begin the animation after the previous animation is over. Duration. It controls the speed of the animation effects by specifying the length of animation. Delay. It adds some delay time before the animation starts. Learn more. You can preview the effects that you have applied to the presentation before finalizing. Transition effects. Learn more. You can preview the effects that you have applied to the presentation before finalizing it. Transition effects are the special effects which can be applied on one slide or all the slides in the presentation. These effects occur during the slideshow when we move from one slide to another. A transition can be simple, like wiping to the next slide, or exciting and dynamic, like moving on a conveyor belt. Steps to apply transition effects. To apply transition effects to a slide, you need to follow the given steps. 1. Select or open the slide on which a transition is to be applied. 2. Click on Transition tab. Various transition effects will be displayed in the transition to this slide group. 4. You can also view more options by clicking on the drop-down arrow. 5. Select any effect by clicking on it and that will be applied on the slide. 6. Click on the effect options to see more effects. Applying sound and transition timings. While creating a presentation, one can apply the sound effects and timings to the slide. Use sound. It consists of various sound effects which will play during transition from the previous slide to current slide. Use duration. It controls the speed of the animation effects by specifying the length of animation. U. Apply to all. It is used to apply the effects to all the slides. U. Advance slide. It tells how the animation begins, like on mouse click, or you can specify the timing. Inserting video. A video in a slide makes it more interesting as it fetches the attention of the viewers. It is a good idea to add a video to a slide to explain your concept in a better way. This video will be played during the slideshow. Steps to add video in a slide are: 1. Open a slide where you want to insert a video. 2. Click on Insert tab. 3. Select the video option under Media Group. A list opens with two options: Online Videos and Video on My PC. 4. Select Video on My PC option. An Insert Video dialog box opens as shown in the figure. 5. Select the video and click on Insert button. You will see two tabs on the ribbon under Video Tools tab: Format and Playback. 6. Use Format tab to format the inserted video. 7. Find the play button under the video or at extreme left of the ribbon and click on it. The video will start playing. Important tip: you can also insert video from the internet using Online Video option. Inserting a audio file can become a part of a slide as background music which will play during slideshow. Any kind of music track, recorded voice or sound effects can go a long way to make your presentation more entertaining. This can be done in many ways. An audio can be played during slide transition. It can be attached to a button placed on a slide. Audio can be played on one slide or throughout the presentation. Learn more. You can change the order of animation effects. For this, go to Animation pane. Select the effect and use U and down arrow to move it. Steps to insert audio in a slide are: 1. Open a slide where you want to insert an audio file. 2. Click on Insert tab. 3. In Media Group, select Audio option. Two options appear in a list. 4. Select an audio on My PC. An Insert Audio dialog box opens as shown in the figure. 5. Select the file and click on Insert button. The audio file will get inserted to the slide, which is indicated by a small speaker icon. 6. You can see two tabs under Audio Tools tab: Format and Playback. 7. In Playback tab, you can see two options. A. Automatically. When a slide opens, audio will start to play automatically. B. On click, audio will play on mouse click. 8. Click on speaker icon to play the audio fact file. To delete the audio from the slide, select the audio icon and press delete. Record audio. Your own audio can also be recorded and inserted in a slide which will play during the slideshow. For this, you need a microphone. You can record your own voice or play something in a microphone, and that will be recorded for as much length you want. Steps to record audio are: 1. Open the slide where we want to add the recorded audio. 2. Click on Insert tab. 3. In Media Group, click on the Audio option. 4. Select Record Audio option. Form the drop-down list. A record sound dialog box appears. 5. You can add the name to the recorded sound. 6. When you select the record button, a recording will start. 7. After finishing the recording, select Stop button. A play button can be used to play the recorded audio. Click OK button and a small audio clip icon displays on the current slide, which indicates that the audio clip is successfully inserted in the slide. Do you know, a microphone is an input device which is used to record sound. Adding action buttons. Have you read the concept of hyperlink? Hyperlink is a link between two pages. When you click on the hypertext, a linked page is opened. Same is the use of action buttons. Action buttons can be linked to a web page, slide, any file or document. When you click on the action button, a linked file is opened. There are various types of action buttons like beginning, end, home, next, video, etc. You can add any of them according to your requirement and link it to the page. For example, you use the action button end and you can link it to the last slide of the presentation. So when you click on this action button, last slide will display. Steps to add action button in a slide. 1. Open a slide and go to Insert tab. 2. In Illustrations group, select Shapes option. 3. A drop-down box opens with various shapes. Select the desired action button under the Action Buttons category, say Next. 4. A cursor will change to plus shape. Now, click left mouse button, hold it and drag the mouse to draw the button on the desired location of the slide. 5. Action Settings dialog box opens. Here, you see two tabs. A. Mouse. Click action will be performed when you click the action button with mouse. Mouse. Over action will be performed when you move the mouse over the action button. 6. Click on the tab according to your choice. Click on Hyperlink to Radio button and click on the drop-down arrow. 7. From the drop-down list, select the Next Slide option. 8. Click OK button. During the slideshow, when you click on Next button, Next Slide will display.
Importing data from Word document.
You can save your precious time by importing the available data from the other application software like MS Word, MS Excel, etc. Thus, you don't need to type the whole data again to create a slide. Steps to import the data from the Word document. 1. Open MS Word 2019 and create a new document. 2. Go to View tab and select Outline View under Views group. 3. Type the text as shown in the figure. 4. Click on Close Outline View button. You will return to Print Layout View. 5. Select the text Types of Computer Network and apply Heading 1 from the Styles group. 6. Select the text Local Area Network, Wide Area Network and metropolitan area network and apply heading 2. 7. Similarly, select types of topologies and apply heading 1. 8. Select ring topology, tree topology, bus topology and mesh topology and apply heading 2. 9. Save it with name computer network and come out from the Word application. 10. Now, open the existing presentation from the MS PowerPoint 2019. 11. Go to View tab and click on Slide Sorter View. 12. Go to Home tab, click on New Slide option and select Slides from Outline from the drop-down list. 13. Insert Outline dialog box opens. Navigate and find the location of Word document name Computer Network and click Open button. 14. You will see 2 new slides added in a presentation with the contents and styles that you put in a Word document. Working together on PowerPoint presentation. Save your presentation on OneDrive and you can work together with your chums. When you are ready to share your presentation, click on Share option available on the top right corner of the ribbon. 2. PowerPoint will prompt the option Save to Cloud, which means your file is not saved yet. Save it on OneDrive Personal. 3. Click on Share with People option from Share window. A task pane opens. 4. You can invite the people by entering the email address of the person you'd like to share the presentation with in the Invite People box. 5. If you want the other person to work on your presentation along with you, select the Can Edit option. If you want the other person to only view your work, select Can View option. 6. Click on Share button. Do you know? You can press F5 function key from the keyboard to run your presentation. Recap corner. MS PowerPoint 2019 is the most advanced presentation tool which is used for creating powerful presentations. Animation means to apply visual effects to the individual object or text or to the whole slide in a presentation application. Transition effects are the special effects which can be applied on one slide or all the slides in the presentation. An audio and video can be inserted in a slide to make it more interesting. Action buttons can be linked to a web page, slide, any file or document. When you click on the action button, a linked file is opened. You can import the data from other applications to your presentation.